Okay, and today I'm for the POCO C40 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I set up my fingerprint here to the scanner. And now I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. Now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with this fingerprint with the scanner, and we'll see just how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fingerprint scanner works here so fast and correct. I just simply touch it. So now we can just check it with the simple touch. So it's locked now, and just hop. Okay, hop, and it's unlocked successfully. So let's do it one more time. And that's the fingerprint scanner just work here just really fast. I just can unlock the device less than in half seconds. This is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint unlock method is less secure than the passcode or pin code, for example. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.